Introducing the RIDGID Octane Hammer Drill, delivering best-in-class torque with Octane power and intelligence. To make this tool intelligent, we designed a processor capable of identifying the battery's power output, allowing the tool to maximize current in high-demand applications. With a powerful next-generation brushless motor, we unleashed a tremendous 1,300 inch-pounds of torque, while generating less heat and wear for longer motor life. The micro-clutch design increases torque control, giving the user over 100 settings, thanks to precision gearing built into the slip clutch. The rugged three-piece design is built to handle whatever the job site throws at it. And an ambidextrous mode selector allows the user to quickly switch modes in any position, while the 360-degree chuck light is designed to provide shadow-free visibility to the workpiece. We designed Octane terminals to deliver maximum power and intelligence when paired up with RIDGID Octane batteries. This smart communication starts with an electronic handshake. The instant the trigger is pressed, the battery and tool identify each other, raising power output to overcome high-demand applications. When other hammer drills are slow to deliver, the RIDGID Octane hammer drill powers through quickly, delivering over 65% more power when paired with Octane batteries. The RIDGID Octane hammer drill delivers best-in-class torque with extreme power and intelligence, and is compatible with all RIDGID 18-volt batteries. And available only at the Home Depot. Powerful, durable, professional.
Meet the two newest members of BLACK+DECKER's 20-volt max system of high-performance tools. Our new 1- and 2-speed drill drivers offer the same speed of prior models, but they're lighter and more compact. Easy to use and comfortable, a mid-handle design gives these drill drivers a balanced feel and great maneuverability. A keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy. An 11-position clutch helps to keep the screws from stripping, and an LED light helps to illuminate your workspace. These and a host of other convenient features make completing projects easy. Use the 1-speed model for common DIY tasks, or the 2-speed model for more demanding jobs. Either way, BLACK+DECKER's new 20-volt max drill drivers give you the speed you know in a compact design you'll love. Part of the 20-volt max system, works with your existing BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max power tools and outdoor equipment.
The 18-volt lithium-ion compact tough drill driver. The most compact, lightest weight available. 600 inch-pounds of max torque, high-performance motor. New patented gear train and clutch. 2-speed drill plus durable, ergonomic, compact design. Half-inch keyless auto lock chuck with 18+1 clutch settings. New Bosch Cool Pack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficient battery packs stay cooler and live longer, featuring an integrated fuel gauge and superior cold weather performance. Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. The 18-volt lithium-ion compact tough drill driver.
Bosch. Invented for life.
Get the tough jobs done right with this CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max brushless hammer drill kit. Made in the USA with global materials designed for rugged performance, this hammer drill features a brushless motor that produces plenty of power and up to 60% more runtime, allowing you to drill through masonry materials like brick and block, as well as a half-inch metal ratcheting chuck for improved bit retention. The 2-speed gearbox lets you drill quickly and efficiently. Plus, an LED light and 2 powerful V20 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries with state-of-charge indicators and a soft storage bag. When you're all done, the drill stores easily within reach for your next project. Whatever the day brings, you'll be ready with the V20 20-volt max brushless hammer drill kit.
Milwaukee M18 Fuel, a new breed of cordless tool. Up to 10 times longer motor life, 25% more power, and 50% more runtime. Milwaukee has combined the best-in-class power state brushless motor, RedLink Plus electronics, and Red Lithium battery system to create Fuel. Built for the world's most demanding professional. Introducing a new breed of cordless drill, the M18 Fuel Cordless Half-Inch Hammer Drill Driver from Milwaukee. Driven by the exclusive Power State brushless motor, Milwaukee designed and built unmatched power and torque to handle the toughest applications. Power State outperforms leading competitors, delivers up to 10 times longer motor life, maximum durability. The M18 Fuel Hammer Drill Driver contains RedLink Plus intelligence hardware and software, the most advanced system of cordless power tool electronics. Overload protection with total system communication between tool, battery, and charger. The M18 Fuel Hammer Drill Driver, energized by red lithium, the most durable battery pack on the market. Up to 50% more runtime than the competition. Over 5 times more recharges than leading competitors. Battery fuel gauge to monitor remaining charge and reduce downtime on the job. New multi-voltage charger that accepts both M12 and M18 batteries. Features include new contoured soft grip, ultimate comfort under prolonged use, all metal ratcheting locking chuck, maximum grip, bit retention, and durability. Powerful LED light, compatible with red lithium compact and XC battery packs, maximum versatility. The M18 Fuel Cordless Half-Inch Hammer Drill Driver, one of the new breed in cordless drills from Milwaukee.